So it's finally tomorrow, guys. Rich and our little buddy are on the moped at the moment. Bless him, he's having the time of his life on the front there. Whilst Rich is riding it. Yeah, we got the new exhaust and everything, so it sounds sick. Got a bit more power. Still a bit slow though. Still bogged out at full throttle. Got to find out what the problem is. But we'll find it. Loving it. Bless him. That's Hannah and Becky over there, you know what I mean? It's not random people. Well, Richard's gone off-roading. I haven't seen him for a bit. Don't know where he is. I think he's trying to go down the big hill. But I'm not sure, so I'm going to go have a look. Let's do some investigation. Oh, he's coming back down this way. Hello? Hello? There's a dog, Rich. Oh no, what's he doing? The RPM gauge is working. Right, sick. Okay. Hey, have fun, boys. Look at this. Oh, there's a dog over there. Teaching Rich over here, boy. How you drift? We're putting lids on today. Look at his veins, boy. Let me fucking kick it. Right, let me show you how to drift there, Rich. Tell you, right. Lids first, boys. Right. Nearly dead enough for a second. Come in about 5 miles per hour. Then first of all, you throw your lid, you just... Right, now, yeah. That's how you start to drift. That's the first bit of learning. Right, and then what you do is you say, fuck it. Right, you smack down to you, you say, fuck it. Fuck it. Come over there, doing about 100 miles per hour, yeah? And then you slam that back brake on, slam it out, put your foot out for a bit of safety and stability, yeah? And then just give it decent revs, dump that back brake and go sideways. I think he's going to hit us. Right, no, Rich. Yes, Rich, you started. You started one. Oh, go on, Rich, go on. Yes, Rich. Yeah. Go on, son. There you go, boys. Rich's first donut. Rich has finally learned his drift. Yeah. Again, bro. Yeah. Oh. There he goes. Yes, Rich. Go on, my son. Go on, son. Pretty sure that was called stacking it, not drifting. I
did sort of stack it, yeah. My bad.
Guys, what do you think of the carbon fibre tail light with the red bit inside? That looks kind of sick, doesn't it? Admit, boys. Smoked out carbon fibre tail light. Right, guys, time for some live footage of riding this moped. Come on. Yeah, hold the camera, or do you want me to hold it? Hold it.
Off at the top there.
Demon.
We're going to use an electric scooter as a motor for this roundabout because it's fairly slow.
It's round now.
So this is it, it spins round. There we go.
Oh shit, it's going to go away.
Alright, get past a bit, mate. Yeah, I know we are. Fuck. Bro, I cannot see shit right now.
That's well fast.
Yeah, stop it, bro.
So,
I can't see. Oh, I'm gonna put up right on you, bro.
that was going well.
Come on, I've got to try and like. I can't see! Oh my god, wait. I need to stop this thing, bro. I'm well dizzy right now.
High five.
Stop it, bro. I'm like dead. No, I can't really make it.
Full throttle.
Yeet. Wow, competitive, bro.
Wagwan! Hi, my name's Rich. Welcome to
Let's
Jack.
go. Demon.